A flat end mill is designed with specific features to tackle a variety of machining tasks. Let's break down its structure. First, there's the shank, the cylindrical part that securely fits into the CNC machine's tool holder. Next are the flutes, the spiraling cutting edges that remove material from the workpiece. Flat end mills typically have 2, 3, 4, or more flutes, each suited to different tasks. The cutting diameter determines the width of the cut, while the overall length is the total size of the tool from tip to shank. What makes a flat end mill unique is its squared-off cutting edge. This flat end allows it to cut straight down into material, making it ideal for flat-bottomed cuts. Flat end mills come in various materials, each designed for specific applications. High-speed steel, or HSS, is a popular choice for general-purpose milling in softer materials. It's cost-effective but less durable compared to advanced materials. Cobalt steel alloys offer improved wear resistance and can handle higher cutting temperatures, making them more durable for tougher materials. For high-performance tasks, carbide is the go-to material. Its superior hardness and heat resistance allow for faster cutting speeds and longer tool life, especially in hard metals like stainless steel or titanium. Many flat end mills also feature coatings like titanium nitride or aluminium titanium nitride. These coatings reduce friction, improve wear resistance, and allow for even higher cutting speeds. Flat end mills are incredibly versatile, making them indispensable in a variety of CNC machining tasks. They're perfect for slotting, where precise channels are cut into the material. When it comes to profiling and contouring, flat end mills excel at shaping flat or angular surfaces. Face milling is another common use, where the flat end mill creates smooth, flat surfaces with uniform finishes. Flat end mills are also great for plunge milling, ideal for creating pockets and cavities by cutting straight down into the material. Depending on the flute design and material, flat end mills can handle both roughing, quickly removing large amounts of material, and finishing, where precision and a smooth surface are key. In CNC machining, flat end mills are essential tools that combine precision, versatility, and efficiency.